My mom's running the bath for Barley, so she just stuck him in here, and he ain't too happy about it. Barley, come down. Come here, Barley. See? It's okay. You can just sit here and wait. I have my Spanish writing thing tomorrow, so I'm actually studying a lot for it because I don't feel prepared. I'm being a good student. Barley. Barley, not the mirror. You can do the door, but not the mirror. Okay, it smells like cookies. Like really good cookies. And I don't know if we're making more cookies or, oh my gosh, we made more cookies. They're so beautiful. I can't handle it. Oh my gosh. They smell so good. Oh, Barley. Hey, puppy. You look so sad. Look at that little tail of yours. It's like a little pig.
Okay, it's getting cold in here for him.
Okay. I'm so sorry, Barley, but you'll be clean and fluffy. Don't worry. Hey, Barley. Hey, Barley. Are you all clean? You all clean and fluffy? Yes, you are. Look at you, fluffy puppy. Oh. Shake for me, dog. Shake for me. You've got no collar on. You're free. You're free like a bird. Run. He assumes that we're cooking, that he gets something, but no, he doesn't. No, Barley.
You set a timer for this.
No tree. Oh, 1 more minute.
Excuse me.
Hey, Barley. Oh. Hey. Bless you. Oh. You're excited.
You know what? Pay attention to your...
Anecdote time. I just walked up to my dad and asked him when he was a little kid, what did he always ask his parents for a pet? And he said, I wanted a horse. And I'm like, you're such a little girl. And he's like, I wanted a manly horse. That's my story. I finished writing words in Spanish that I probably make no sense, but good enough. Practice makes okay. Never perfect, but okay. I've talked to my chemistry teacher about stuff. I'll probably edit my videos. I have yet to open up my computer and it is 8:43. Impressive, Kira. Impressive. I'm done with today.
You just watched a vlog that Kira made. You followed her, but not in the creepy way. Maybe she stayed at home or went to school or went somewhere else and did something really cool. Cause she's crazy and she's silly and has lots of weird friends. You'll hear this song after every vlog ends. Cause you just watched a vlog that Kira made. You can even subscribe if you think she's really great.